Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm gonna be doing a beef noodle stir fry, and I'm gonna start by using half an onion and some tomatoes and ginger, and then I'm gonna be stir frying it in a wok for about 10 to 20 minutes until it is well done, and then I'm gonna end up adding the tomatoes at the end to create a nice tomato paste. So here I'm just gonna put the pasta into boiling water and add a lot of salt so that it's not sticking together, and I'm gonna cook that pasta up until it's al dente, and then end up putting it back into the saucepan with the